For decades, doctors told us that forgetting names, losing your train of thought, and walking into rooms with no idea why you're there was just normal aging, that brain decline was inevitable, that memory loss was just something to accept. But one man refused to believe that lie, and what he discovered by looking inside 250,000 human brains has completely rewritten what we know about memory loss and brain aging. Dr. Daniel Amen is a clinical neuroscientist and double-board certified psychiatrist who has built the world's largest database of brain scans. We're not talking about a few hundred patients. Over the past 30 years, his clinics have performed more than 250,000 SPECT scans on patients from over 150 countries. SPECT imaging is fundamentally different from an MRI. While an MRI shows you the structure of the brain, SPECT shows you blood flow and activity. It reveals exactly which parts of your brain are working and which parts are starving. And what Dr. Amen discovered in scan after scan was shocking. The memory problems, the fog, the confusion that we blame on dead brain cells, it's not cell death at all. It's starvation. Your brain cells are still alive. They're just not getting enough oxygen-rich blood to function. Dr. Amen's data proves that you can make your brain measurably younger, sharper, more active in as little as 8 weeks by changing what you eat. This isn't about eating for pleasure anymore. This is food as medicine. A precise protocol based on 250,000 brain scans. And the 5 foods we're about to reveal, ranked from good to extraordinary, are the exact ones as research shows can reverse brain aging starting tonight. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments what symptom is affecting your memory most right now and what do you usually eat before bed. We're reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips. Now, let's begin with number 5, and it's one that nearly everyone overlooks. Number 5, beets. Beets contain something most people completely overlook, which is an extraordinarily high concentration of dietary nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for dilating blood vessels in your brain. One medium beet delivers approximately 250 milligrams of nitrates, making it one of the most concentrated natural sources available. When you consume beets, your body begins a fascinating conversion process that starts the moment the vegetable touches your tongue. The nitrates interact with specific bacteria living on your tongue surface, bacteria that convert these compounds into nitrite. From there, your stomach acid transforms the nitrite into nitric oxide, which then travels through your bloodstream directly to the narrowed, constricted blood vessels in your frontal lobe. A landmark study from Wake Forest University followed 124 adults over age 55 for 16 weeks and found that those who consumed beetroot juice daily experienced a 38% increase in blood flow to the white matter of their frontal lobes, the exact region responsible for executive function, decision-making, and working memory. The mechanism here is critical to understand. As we age, the blood vessels in our brain naturally constrict and stiffen, reducing oxygen delivery by up to 20% in some cases. This oxygen starvation is what creates that mental fog, the slowness, the feeling that your thoughts are wading through mud. Nitric oxide from beets acts like a key that unlocks these constricted vessels, flooding oxygen-starved brain cells with fresh blood. The proper way to maximize these benefits requires a preparation method that 90% of people get completely wrong. You can either eat one medium beet raw, grated finely and chewed thoroughly for at least 30 seconds per bite, or you can juice it fresh and consume it within 20 minutes. Chewing is critical because the conversion process begins with the bacteria on your tongue. If you swallow too quickly, you bypass this essential first step. Alternatively, Drink 4 ounces of fresh beetroot juice approximately 60 to 90 minutes before bed because nitric oxide levels peak 2 to 3 hours after consumption, right when you enter deep sleep and your brain begins its nightly repair cycle. Here's the mistake that destroys everything. Never use antibacterial mouthwash within 3 hours of consuming beets. This is the error that ruins the entire protocol for the majority of people. Those tongue bacteria that convert nitrates into nitrite are the same bacteria that mouthwash kills. A study from the University of Exeter found that using mouthwash after beetroot consumption eliminated 90% of the nitric oxide benefits. You're literally washing away the mechanism that makes this work. If you must use mouthwash, do it in the morning, hours before you consume beets. Now we're moving to an even more powerful brain food that works through an entirely different mechanism. Number 4, raw cacao. Let's be crystal clear about what we're talking about here because confusion on this point wastes people's time and money. Raw cacao is not chocolate. It's not a Hershey's bar. It's not hot cocoa mix with sugar and milk powder. Raw cacao is the pure, unprocessed powder made from cacao beans that contains the highest concentration of flavanols, the compounds that Dr. Amen's brain scans show can increase blood flow to your hippocampus by up to 30%. The hippocampus is your brain's memory center, the region that shrinks fastest with age and is hit hardest by Alzheimer's disease. Raw cacao contains a specific subclass of flavanols called epicatechins that do something extraordinary in your brain. They trigger the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which acts like fertilizer for brain cells. A groundbreaking study from Columbia University Medical Center followed 37 healthy adults aged 50 to 69 for 3 months and found that those who consumed high flavanol cacao daily showed memory improvements equivalent to being 20 to 30 years younger on cognitive tests. Brain scans revealed dramatically increased activity in the dentate gyrus, a specific part of the hippocampus critical for forming new memories. The preparation protocol here is precise and non-negotiable. You need 2 tablespoons of raw, non-Dutch processed cacao powder. Dutch processing is an alkalizing treatment that destroys up to 90% of the flavanols, turning brain medicine into basically dirt. Check your label. It must say raw or non-alkalized. Mix this powder with 8 ounces of water heated to exactly 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is warm to the touch but not hot enough to burn your mouth. Never use boiling water at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius, because temperatures above 160 degrees Fahrenheit break down the delicate molecular structure of epicatechins, reducing their bioavailability by 60% according to research from Penn State University. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to this mixture. This isn't for flavor. Cinnamon contains compounds that stabilize your blood sugar response and prevent the insulin spike that would otherwise interfere with BDNF production during sleep. Consume this mixture approximately 75 to 90 minutes before bedtime. The flavanols take about 90 minutes to reach peak concentration in your bloodstream, which means they'll be flooding your hippocampus right when you enter REM sleep, the phase when your brain consolidates memories and clears metabolic waste. Let's move forward to the foods where Dr. Amen's data gets really powerful. Number 3 is turmeric, the golden firefighter for your neural network. If you have ever felt like your brain is inflamed, heavy, or sluggish, you are likely suffering from a condition scientists now call inflammaging. This is chronic, low-grade inflammation that slowly burns away your cognitive reserve. While pharmaceuticals struggle to address this safely, the active compound in turmeric, known as curcumin, performs a biological miracle. It is one of the few substances on Earth small enough to cross the blood-brain barrier. Once inside, It acts as a molecular scrub brush, targeting and clearing beta-amyloid plaques, the sticky protein accumulations that gum up communication between your neurons and are the hallmark of severe cognitive decline. However, eating turmeric powder on your food or taking a cheap capsule is a complete waste of time. Curcumin has incredibly low bioavailability, meaning your liver filters it out before it ever reaches your brain. To unlock its power, you must trigger a specific synergistic reaction. You must combine turmeric with piperine, the active compound in black pepper. Research shows that adding just a pinch of black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin by 2,000%. Furthermore, curcumin is fat-soluble. Without a lipid carrier, it slides right through your digestive tract. Here is the strict golden milk protocol you need to follow. 60 minutes before bed, warm 1 cup of plant-based milk. Stir in 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, a specific pinch of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. The coconut oil provides the medium-chain triglycerides that shuttle the curcumin directly into your cells. Drink this warm. As you sleep, this mixture will work to cool down neural inflammation, allowing your brain to focus on repair rather than defense. Now, we move to number 2, the structural architect of your brain, walnuts. It is no coincidence that a walnut kernel looks exactly like a human brain, complete with left and right hemispheres and wrinkled folds. In the ancient world, this was known as the doctrine of signatures, but today we know it as biochemical fact. Walnuts are the top plant source of DHA omega-3 fatty acids, which are the primary building blocks of the brain's physical structure. Specifically, these fats are required to repair the myelin sheath. Think of the myelin sheath as the rubber insulation around the electrical wires in your house. When this insulation wears down, the electrical signals short-circuit. In your brain, this manifests as slow thinking and delayed recall. But here is the critical warning that almost no one talks about. Walnuts contain phytic acid, an anti-nutrient designed by nature to protect the nut until it is ready to sprout. If you eat raw, dry walnuts straight from the bag, this phytic acid binds to minerals like magnesium and zinc in your body, preventing absorption and causing digestive stress. You are eating the nutrient, but you are not absorbing it. To hack this defense mechanism, you must use the soaking protocol. Take your raw walnuts and place them in a glass bowl. Cover them with filtered water and add a teaspoon of sea salt. Let them soak for at least 8 hours, or overnight. This process deactivates the enzyme inhibitors and breaks down the phytic acid, essentially waking the nut up and making the nutrients bioavailable for your brain. After soaking, you can dehydrate them or roast them on low heat. There is one final, urgent warning regarding walnuts. Because they are so high in delicate omega fats, they go rancid extremely quickly when exposed to room temperature air. If you bite into a walnut and it tastes bitter or smells like paint thinner, spit it out immediately. That is oxidized fat, which is a neurotoxin that creates free radicals in your brain. You must buy your walnuts raw and immediately store them in the refrigerator or freezer. Cold storage is the only way to protect the integrity of the fatty acids that your brain desperately needs to rebuild itself. And finally, we have arrived at number 1. The undisputed king of cognitive restoration. Wild blueberries. Please understand, I am not talking about the large, watery, cultivated blueberries you find in the produce section. Those are bred for sugar and size, not medicine. I am talking specifically about wild blueberries. These tiny berries have to survive in harsh northern climates, fighting against freezing winds and scorching sun. This environmental stress forces them to produce massive amounts of anthocyanins, the deep purple pigment that protects them, and protects you. They contain 2 times the antioxidant capacity of regular blueberries. But here is the science that changes everything. For decades, neurology textbooks claim that once brain cells die, they are gone forever. Wild blueberries prove that wrong. They are one of the only foods known to stimulate neurogenesis, the actual growth of new neurons in the hippocampus. You are not just preserving what you have left, you are physically regrowing your brain's hardware. However, to get this medical-grade effect, you must follow the frozen protocol. You should actually buy these berries frozen, not fresh. When blueberries are flash frozen at the peak of ripeness, the sharp ice crystals shatter the cellular structure of the fruit skin from the inside out. This makes the anthocyanins immediately bioavailable to your body. If you eat them fresh, your digestive system struggles to break down those tough skins, and you lose half the value. The protocol is simple but strict. Blend 1 cup of frozen wild blueberries into a smoothie every single morning to prime your brain for the day. But here is the critical warning that destroys the benefits for nearly everyone. Never, under any circumstances, blend these berries with cow's milk, heavy cream, or dairy yogurt. Dairy contains a protein called casein, which acts like a molecular glue. It binds to the polyphenol and prevents them from entering your bloodstream. You essentially flush the medicine right out of your system. Use water or macadamia nut milk, but keep the dairy far away from your brain fuel. Here's what matters most. These 5 foods don't work in isolation. They work synergistically, meaning the combined effect is far greater than the sum of their individual parts. When you flood your brain with nitric oxide from beets, protect it with flavanols from cacao, extinguish inflammation with curcumin, rebuild cell membranes with walnuts, and trigger neurogenesis with wild blueberries, you create an environment where healing becomes inevitable. This isn't magic. It's biology. It's what Dr. Amen saw happen in scan after scan over 3 decades and 250,000 brains. The promise is simple. Follow these exact protocols for 8 weeks. Not casually. Not when you remember. Every single day with precision. Most people notice sharper thinking, better word recall, and clearer mental energy within the first 2 to 3 weeks. By week 8, the changes become undeniable. But don't take my word for it. Start your own 2-month brain challenge tonight. Pick up these 5 foods tomorrow. Follow the protocols exactly as described. Then come back here in 8 weeks and tell us what changed. What improved? What surprised you? We read every single comment and we want to hear your real experience. If you found this valuable, our next video reveals the 5 common foods that are quietly destroying your brain right now, foods you probably ate today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.